Hello all, welcome to our channel. This is the very important video for Facebook users. So I'm uploading my video on my Facebook, but I have to engage my audience. That is an option name is called Facebook live streaming option. That is a Facebook live streaming option purpose. We have to use option name is called OBS Studio. So that OBS Studio, how to install? Click for OBS projects. You can click for download. This software will be applicable by Apple laptop, Linux laptop, and Windows. This software will be completely free. This software will be supporting for Facebook live streaming and YouTube live streaming with pre-recorded videos. So already video will be recorded. The recorded we can create as a live streaming option. Now click for download install. So it is the file was downloaded will be here, and this file will be very less than 200 MB file. After that, you can install on your particular PC. So without OBS Studio, can you create live is possible or not? Yes, it's possible by using camera. No other option. We can use other softwares. But as a free one, is a one of the best software is called OBS Project. Is another name is called OBS Studio. So everyone creating for in the early morning time, they're creating for YouTube live streaming. The one and only software is called OBS Studio option. And click this options. Just and close this. Here it is called, I'm selecting my Facebook page. Right now my Facebook page, no lives are here. The live streaming creating purpose, we can use Facebook business shoot option, or else that switch on your particular Facebook page. Here the option call is live video. That Facebook page option is there, and Facebook business shoot also there. And after this one, the OBS Studio was installed. Very understanding the easy concept to live streaming created by the YouTube and Facebook. The one and all option is called OBS project. The name is called OBS Studio. Every YouTubers early morning they're framing for videos in live streaming. That all software belongs to for OBS Studio. There's a pre-recorded video they're playing the YouTube channel. So is any copyright? Why? Because that is your videos. And sir, here, suppose I'm playing for live streaming video. Can you earn money from people are watching? Yes. If your channel will be monetized and Facebook and YouTube, you can earn money from through Facebook and through Instagram also. So through YouTube also. So that is called people are running for live streaming Facebook and YouTube. For purpose of reaching audience, earning money from by watching the video. So here, click this. So right now, this is the OBS Studio screen. Here, they're showing for desktop video, mic and ask. So remove, just stop this one. Why? Because what are your mic and ask? What are your explaining? We have to show for, don't show anything. And desktop audio, not. Simple, click for setting. The major one is called setting option. Here, what is the key one is stream. Stream key, which is I'm looking for Facebook live streaming. Facebook live streaming, that what is the key will be here? Stream key option. So where I can find out stream key? Where I can find out stream key? That is called go to Facebook business page, click for live video. Live video two types. On time live, or we can create by the pre-record video. So create text to broadcast before go live. I'm clicking for go live. After click for go live option, they can show will be options are here. What are the options we can show here, customers? You can look into this. Here, webcam streaming software. So what is my option is pre-recorded videos I can create by the live option. So streaming software. Here is the copy the key. Where I can paste this key? Here. Paste. Get stream key. Apply and OK. So everything is correct. Perfectly you will be connecting will be stream key. Facebook page to OBS Studio. So after that, what is the step? After that, Here, what are the scenes you want? Scenes. Digital Rakesh. My scene was created. Where I can we add the video. Click the video. Here option name is called media source. Click the media source and OK. Here browse the file. Where is our recorded files are there? Where is our recorded files are there? That is the files you can copy from a particular option. So here it is where I can download the videos here. So which is long video, I can use it here with the 14 minutes. Copy the video, paste it. Video framing is ready. So how we can go to my Facebook page? Simple. Click the start streaming. So streaming will be start visible by where? In a particular Facebook option. See this. Started your streaming. So the stream is working or not, how to check. So that is the important option is called. Definitely there will be question is there. It is connected or not. See this. Complete post details and go live option is there. So here it is called stream key. Everything is perfect. Here it is option will be here. Now we can add this all features. Just I'm adding options. After adding the posting, click for go live. So I'm adding Steam key, I'm adding the video, everything is fine. Without click for go live option, we can't connect to your particular video will be live stream option. After click for go live, you can check your particular page. We have to refresh. When it is live, it is visible by the, can show your icon will be live. So particular user will be live option. When go to live option, here it is live. See this song and option. This is all your particular using for your particular option. So that is the live will be here. When you are on to end your live, click for end live option. So these are the option we can create for live stream option. So click for end live and OBS Studio, stop streaming. Next, same like that. Where it is go live. Same options, nothing will be changed. See, but it's only for live streaming will be created by only for Facebook purpose. Your Facebook already monetized. People watching for live video. That also will be counted by the views and business and earnings. So same like here clear. So this is called create a live streaming pre-recorded video on your particular Facebook option. The one and only setup we have to create by the users to engage the audience purpose. So when you're creating for live streaming time, you have to disable these particular features. Is it clear? This much of important. This is not for one. Click for start streaming. See, couldn't access specific channel stream key. Why? Because once your live will be done, the stream key will be expired. So what we can do? Go to same backend, return to home. Same here it is. So here I'm go for go live option. This will be Facebook business shoot option. That is a Facebook page. This is a Facebook business shoot. I'm closing this all options. Live produce. Compulsory. What are the Facebook content? Anything you have to publish by the your particular business shoot option. See this. Copy the stream key. Once again, where I'm go to settings stream. See old stream key FB7986 like that. Now new key completely changing for last option. Apply. Done. That's what I'm clicking for. Start streaming. They can't stop will be your particular streaming option. Next, here it is called. Everything will be done. Here it is. Every options are you will be ready. See this. So when it is possible for live streaming option, you have to finish the complete content. So that is the add by the each and every content will be your particular option. So here it is content. What are the content you have? See this. This is Rakesh. This is Rakesh. Save. Right, enable by live option. Without content, they can't go for live option. Click for live. Live will be very easy. This will be just you can add the video and club the all video 1 hour video and make it live. Sit in the proper way and the live will be going to like this. So after live will be start, your page will be showing will be live option. So this is live nothing but to engage the audience purpose. This page will be engage the audience purpose. Always when you're creating for OBS Studio 10, please here it is the what are the options you have to mute. Click the mute option will be here. So it is. See this. What are the music you want? Everything will be here. So here it is the it will be play. So this is the creating for live streaming for each and every website. So always follow these guidelines to creating for live streaming option. If any further question, please ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.